Okay guys, section 9.7, puzzle problems. First off, just before we get started, I was just thinking, that you guys are doing a really good job. We've been working on this stuff a lot this year, and you guys are really beginning to get good at this. Now, the problem that we're going to start with here, this example number 1, this is a new type of problem. I don't think you've really seen this type of problem before. But let's read through it, and then I'm going to talk about it before we try to set up the equation, okay? It says example 1, digit problem. The sum of the digits in a 2-digit number is 12. The new number obtained when the digits are reversed is 36 more than the original number. Find the original number. Okay, before we get started with that, let's think about this. I'm just going to pick a number. Let's say 53. Okay? Now you agree 53 is in the tens place. I'm going to let t stand for the tens place. And 3 is in the units place. Okay, we'll call it the ones or the units, right? Because it just stands for one thing. Now, if I were to add these two things, I get 8, right? So that means that t plus u is equal to 8. Well, what this problem is saying, when I add, I've got a 2-digit number, I don't know what it is, but when I add the 2 digits, t plus u, I get 12. Okay. Fair enough. I mean, that's easy enough to see. That's what I got over here, right? Now, the next thing it says is that the new number obtained when the digits are reversed. Okay, so now we're reversing the digits. It's 35 instead of 53, okay? But do you see now, if I switch these, this is the u and the t, the u is worth 10 because it's in the tens place, okay? So if I reverse it, I would say 10 times, not the t because I reversed them, but the u, whatever number was in the u place, plus 1t, because now the tens number is only worth 1 because I reversed them. Okay? This new number is 36 more than the original. Well, that would just be 10 times the tens digit plus u, right? Okay, now let me step over here for a second. You see, if I were to represent 53, I would say 5 times 10, right? Because that's how much the 5 is worth. It's 5 tens plus 3, okay? But now we've replaced them, so it's 10 times 3 plus 5. You see, I flipped those two numbers. That's what happened over here. I had to flip the two numbers. Okay? You're probably thinking, I got it, Mr. C. Just get on with it. Okay. So now, we're just going to use substitution. Oh, you know what? Let me simplify this. Believe me. I've got u's on both sides and t's on both sides. Let me do this. I'm going to subtract u from both sides. So now I've got 9u plus t is equal to 36 plus 10t. Now I'm going to subtract t from both sides. And now I've got 9u is equal to 36 plus 9t. Okay? I lowercased my t there, but that's okay. Now over here on that first equation, I'm just going to subtract t from both sides. And u is equal to 12 minus t. Which means I'm going to put this in place of u. Now it's 9 times what u equals, 12 minus t, is equal to 36 plus 9t. Alright, 9 times 12, that's 108, minus 9t is equal to 36 plus 9t. Alright, let me scoot down a bit so we can get some room. I'm going to add the 9t's to both sides, and I'm going to get 108 is equal to 36 plus 18t. Then I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides and get 72 is equal to 18t. And if I'm not mistaken, when I divide both sides by 18, t is equal to 4. That means that in the original number, it was 4. Okay, the t, the tens place. All right. Now, the units, and I'm not going to be able to finish this in time, so I'm going to stop here and I'll finish on that next video, okay?